Hi, I'm Laurie with Southern Charm Shop with Laurie. If you are watching this video, that means that you have either received a sample kit or a bundle kit from me. Either way, inside each kit, you will find a step-by-step instruction sheet on how to use the Chalk Couture products to create your project. However, if you're like me, you may want to see those steps done rather than just read about them. That's what this video is for. So let me show you each step so that you can get on to creating your project. Now, inside each kit, you will find the same types of things. You will find paste, a surface, a transfer, a squeegee, and most likely a stir stick. Either whether it's a sample kit or a bundle kit, these items in one way or another will be in your kit. Now, what you need to do is you have your surface ready, get your packet. If you have a sample packet, you need to make sure that you take your thumbs and fingers and knead the packet so that you can get the chalk inside of it ready to be used. All I do is just run my thumbs and my forefinger up and down for a little bit just to get it ready, okay? When I am ready, then I take my thumbs and press what's inside down away from the area that I will be cutting. And I just cut a straight line across the top, okay? Now you will also need either a plastic dish or some type of small dish that you can put your paste in. Okay. I open it up and I use my stir stick to reach down inside and pull some paste out and put it in the jar and then set the other aside. You have more than enough in paste inside each packet to create your project more than one time. So now I need it, even though I did need it quite a bit, I see that I might need to add just a couple of drops of water. That's why you want a little stir stick and your dish. And I just stir it until it's creamy. And you can have just a little drop of water is all you need. I use my spray mister, but you don't have to do that. You can add just a couple of drops of water. Now, Chalk Couture does suggest that you use only distilled water, but for this type of thing, since you're not going to be putting it back into the paste packet, all you have to do is use a couple little drops of tap water will be fine. Won't hurt anything. Okay, now next comes your transfer. Your transfers come on a carrier sheet. One side is a matte paper finish and the other side is a glossy finish. Okay, I pull it from that and then I can either use a towel. I'm using one of our fuzzing cloths, but you can use a regular old towel. You could use your shirt, your jeans, it doesn't matter, just so long as you can put it on something to soften the stickiness just a bit. And then you place your transfer on your surface and you press down all over where the silk screen fabric is, or the silk screen area is. I'm doing this to make sure that I have no air pockets and no fuzz or lint in the silk screen area. Next, I take my stir stick and my paste and I just put a little bit on top of the transfer. Okay, and using my mini squeegee, I just take and I use it. I keep my angle, the squeegee, at like almost a 90-degree angle to the surface. Okay, once I've got it on, I don't have to cover the entire area. I just cover the part of the silk screen design. Okay. All right, now put it back in there. And now I just peel to reveal. And there you have it. Isn't that pretty? And I place my transfer over in a little water bath until I'm ready to do it, to clean it. Because it is reusable and I would want to clean it. So I'm going to put this up right here. And I'm going to get a paper towel. Now, like I said, you have plenty of paste in this packet, left in the packet. So you don't want to waste that. So what I do is I open up my packet a little bit more, or a little bit, so that I can get the stir stick down in there, and I just kind of press that down in. Okay, squeeze that there. Now, since I used distilled water, I could put that back in if I wanted to, but that really is not a good thing. I mean, it would be really messy, so you probably wouldn't want to do it. And then I use some tape. I fold it down twice so that it will be sealed well, and I just tape the ends down. And it'll be ready for me to use when my next project. Now, let me show you how to clean your transfer. As I said, I had it over in the water bath. So I come and I place it down on my surface, sticky side down. And I'm going to use a wipe, not a baby wipe. I use a disinfectant wipe, and I just clean my transfer. I usually will rinse it off with water and get most of it off as best as I can. Okay, and then I turn it over and I wipe the back side off of it. Okay, and then I place it sticky side up on a towel to dry. And that's all there is to it. Now, you go and take your instruction sheet out. Now, you go and get your instruction sheet and take it out, and you follow these same steps. And if you have any questions, please, please, please don't hesitate to get back with me. You can find me at Southern Charm Chalk with Laurie on Facebook. Message me and I'll be glad to get back with you. Thanks for asking for a sample kit or ordering a bundle kit from me. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.